Did I fix the other matter?
other matter fixed on
Thursday and Friday. No, Wednesday and Thursday.
সুমন যেটা বলছে 12 মার্চ
12 March. All the billable offenses, sir. কি হবে এগুলো? You respond virtually, sir, and exchange of affidavits take place. I will take the decision. Respond virtually.
Where is on the face of blood?
So I cannot see the FIR just now because there are other issues which have been canvassed.
fine.
Other issue, your loss will canvas other issue, there is no doubt about that. But
Uh-huh.
as far as FIR is concerned, kindly have a look at whether any offense is made out. So far as I am concerned.
I'll consider the other matter.
other matter fixed on
Thursday and Friday. No, Wednesday and Thursday.
সুমন যেটা বলছে
12 March.
12 মার্চ
12 March. কি করবে নিয়ে all the billable offenses, sir. কি হবে এগুলো? You respond virtually, sir, and exchange of affidavits take place. I will take the decision. Respond virtually.
FIR is on the face of blood.
So I cannot see the FIR just now because there are other issues which have been canvassed.
fine.
Other issue, your loss will canvas other issue, there is no doubt about that. But as
Uh-huh.
far as FIR is concerned, kindly have a look at whether any offense is made out. So far as I am concerned.
I'll consider that from another angle.
12 blood, let there be a
Stay of the investigation, not possible.
No.
I am not saying I'm staying the investigation. I am asking for stay of investigation.
on virtual what is his
Virtually, I'm giving you.
Actually, physically, blood.
Physically, no, I'm not giving you that.
Actually, blood.
addressing the entire globe. Let him address
Your loss will kindly consider one thing. Blood. Even after 12 blood, kindly.
After 12 onwards, I will decide the issue, sir.
Yeah.
Your lordship.
I am not entering into the zone because I could have stayed the investigation on the first date. There is another point which Mr. Dotto has canvassed,
Yes.
which is because it's social networking. I'm not in this case. As a matter of guidelines, court's interference is now called for in view of the reckless comments made by persons in social networking
Yes,
platform. Doesn't exonerate any person, including the court's concerned also.
absolutely
But so far as I am concerned,
No, I am not entering. That's why I'm saying I'm not staying the investigation. Let them carry on the investigation virtually.
let me not appear for the time.
no, not
Virtually, though.
Kindly consider one thing. If ultimately nothing is there, so far as I am concerned, against me, so why should I will not take part in the investigation also? Kindly visualize this factor. There is nothing. So far as FIR is concerned, nothing. And not only that, if there is any disclosure made by anybody, that disclosure made by the lady constable, well, I can
So
submit.
that I said on the first
Yes.
day what I had.
The FIR is also twisted version of the what he has stated in the.
That is why affidavits of the state I'm giving.
In the
I will-
don't direct me to appear. I'm saying so. As because if the FIR is
See, offenses are billable.
offenses are available.
Number one. Number two, I have got to allow the court, allow the state to file an affidavit,
Let them
inspect the case diary also, everything. Without that, passing an interim order on the whole of the investigation.
So far as investigation is concerned, so far as my appearance, virtual appearance is concerned, kindly don't put me in virtual appearance. Kindly.
বলে দিলাম তো virtually.
As because I'm saying, I have the reasons. As because the FIR, the complaint which was treated as FIR, but even the advocate general shows it disclose any offense at all. So far as I am concerned. And not only that, if you are not kindly see, there was a submission made on the last occasion by Mr. Banerjee also.
I will not open my mouth.
for argument's sake.
I will not open my mouth now, sir. That will spoil your case and his case also. He was arguing on a question of perception. I will allow you to build up that argument.
Yes. But so far as that matter is concerned, I will also render my assistance to the advocate general. So far as this case is concerned, my lord,
না, এইটারই সুমনদের ক্ষেত্রে করতে হবে।
in terms of the Suman's order, your lordship, can you see the order passed by your lordship?
হ্যাঁ কি সুমনকে কি বলেছি এবিপি আনন্দকে বলেছি ওরা পার্টিসিপেট
Page 4, my lord. So far as
Ah, this
investigation is concerned, I do not find primacy requirement is the progress of this investigation. Accordingly, the investigation agency is restrained from serving any or further notice upon him in connection with the instant case. Well, I'm same footing, my lord. I'm also better footing, my lord. I'm really better footing. So far as Sumande,
So why are you inviting comments? What I know the case since I've heard the case.
yes, I know that.
I'm not. You attend virtually, sir. I have got nothing to say. There is some material which requires deliberation. Otherwise, there is no case. I am also not in favor. But he has taken up a point which I want to address that also. Apart from one is the uploading part. I'm not shying away from that. One is the uploading part. There may be a mistake, slip of tongue also. The uploading may be controlled, whether such an uploading can be controlled by the channels concerned, which are who are telecasting. Number one. Number two is that he is building up an argument on the issue relating to perception. Although I'm not on the same boat with him, I have given my mind, but he has also built up an argument. I have got to listen to him, sir. I have got to listen to him.
But there must be a foundation to build something. If there is no foundation, so far as this FIR is concerned,
You were not there. No, then I have got to allow him to argue the matter.
Let him be. I have no objection. But so far as you also decide it finally. In the meantime, why if the investigation is palpably wrong,
So,
if the initiation is palpably wrong,
see,
if
I
it
can.
does not disclose any offense at all. Why your lordship put me in?
It's a very touchy matters. Don't. I have got to decide it very.
Decide it,
I've got or nothing to say. I understand your problem.
What I'm
I
telling you,
understand that.
Same what I'm which your lordship has passed so far as Sumant is concerned. So the petitioner is concerned.
The difficulty over here is this: the version over here and the version in the YouTube is different.
So far as version is concerned, if I may say, kindly see the FIR page.
And that is FIR. এবার আমি বললে আবার ওরা মেকআপ করে নিয়ে চলে আসবে. This is the difficulty. That is why I'm not opening my mouth. This is why
File that affidavit, in the meantime, kindly put.
I am not.
How you lost me again?
কি হবে কি একটা বেলেবল অফেন্স চারটে
আমাদের ভার্চুয়াল অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স কি হবে?
the virtual appearance
Ultimately, what will happen? Ultimately, if the investigation goes
48 hours before server notice, virtually you will appear. But it can basically up to 12th of March.
After 12, let it give notice after 12.
Before 12th, sir. Whatever material. From 12th onwards, I will take a decision. I will take a decision whether the case is maintainable or not. Up to 12.
Your lordship would take a decision whether the case is maintainable or not. So before that, why your lordship is putting me for virtual appearance?
Only virtual appearance, because see, I am not asking you to.
I am not saying anything, Mr. Banerjee. I am
Mr.
addressing the court.
Mr. Tiwari, what is that? I'm not asking you to go to appear before the court. These are bailable offences. Nothing can be done. Number two is that what they will ask, that is not known to me. What they will ask. Number one. In this case, the informant is not the investigating officer of the case also. So what materials will be collected by the investigating officer? Prima facie, on the first day, they were able to show, at least to me, one thing, sir. The verbatim reproduction is not there in the FIR. There was something, whether it is correct, incorrect, I'm not. That's why I'm saying, don't allow me to open my mouth. Why I am going slow on this matter is that a balance has to be drawn both regarding the rights for which this has been done, and obviously, at the drop of a hat, nobody can be made an accused. Obviously, the rights of the press also must be over there. Talk shows must be over there. That is also there. So far as the sections are concerned, these are all bailable sections you have checked out, but only cognizable offense. That's why I'm not asking you even to go to the court, surrender and all these things. Whatever I am saying is that if they give you notice 48 hours, how many days are there? So regularly they can't disturb you. You mentioned if they regularly disturb you.
I belong to a particular political.
Then they obviously.
This is the main crux of the matter. Otherwise, had it been a case of X, Y, and Z, then there would not be any FIR at all.
Maybe.
As because I belong to a particular political party, that's why this complaint.
That political.
Notice has been addressed to me, Torunjali Tiwari, BJP leader, advocate as well as BJP leader. So, I have been treated unequally. That's why this I am before your lordship. Otherwise, I would not have come.
So then you have got to show in other cases. That's a comparison matter.
Kindly, so far as your lordship is fixing the matter on 12, let it be hard out on 12.
I will hear it.
In the meantime, your lordship, kindly, this is my.
What will they ask, sir?
This is so far as this informant is concerned. She is the investigating officer of that case.
I know that.
She is the investigating officer of that case.
I know that. I was not willing to take up the matter since.
No, so far as that part, I think Advocate General does not.
But both of the parties agreed. Yes. That is why. Because this matter, I have gone through the case diary also.
Which I am praying, the same. Your lordship has accordingly investigation is rested.
So who will represent him? You tell me. There are companies there. I'm not entering into the zone.
After 12, your lordship let them wait till 12. Heaven will not fall till 12, let them wait till 12. Your lordship decide it once for all.
So virtually you are.
Virtually, there will be a lot of problems. I am telling you, lordship.
What is the problem? You tell me. You explain me the problem. I'll appreciate that.
They will call me today, day after tomorrow, day after tomorrow. This will go on. Your lordship. So far as this dealing with political persons are concerned, they will treat it differently. There is no
virtual too.
Virtual.
With respect, the more my learned friend says all these things, I have no answer because I cannot speak in political words. Let him not speak in political words.
I
have been implemented as because I belong to a political person. This is their privacy shows.
Yeah, one thing, Mr. Tiwari, one thing is that I can fix once a week, but then that will be compelling. That maybe they will not ask you also.
But may I subject to your kindly will not decide the issue on 12. Thereafter it will go in either way. Kindly tag this matter with let it appear on 12. Let them take decision.
তাহলে তাই করে দাও let W since in respect of the same FIR another writ petition is pending, let the present writ petition be tagged along with WPA 3353 of 2025. In the meantime, If state intends to file affidavit in opposition, let the affidavit in opposition be filed by আজকে কত 21 তো one is prepared also. When is that date of preparation of the affidavit? এটা কবে আছে? Suman this matter when is,
Fourth March.
so by 4th you give
Very.
the same আর affidavit in opposition.
Reply by 11.
Affidavit in opposition be filed by 4th of March 2025. Affidavit
11th?
reply if any by 11th of March 2025. List the writ petition. On 12th fix করা আছে time?
No,
হ্যাঁ
time is not fixed.
List the mention the matter. I'll take up the matter. List the writ petition under the heading hearing on 12th of March 2025 along with WPA 3353 of 2025. চলো। আর তো কিছু নেই। Next week you have got to do the hearing, provided that one.
That Obhijit might.
Obhijit Mike.